Hello guys, today I'm working on a Nissan CVT transmission, changing out the filter, them one thing. So you need a 19 socket to pull the transmission bung to let out the oil. So you have to let out the oil first before you pull down the crankcase. So the bolt, some 10mm bolt hold the crankcase. So you need a 10mm socket to pull all the screw around the crankcase. Yeah, so when you're done, pull the 10mm, then you take down the crankcase and the filter. Now you need a 10mm socket to pull all the bolt around this iron filter. It uses two filter, one small cartridge one and this one that I'm pulling on. So the next cartridge filter now, so you need a 5 all-in key to pull the next filter. 4 all-in key, not bolt wallet. So you pull the four all-in screw. So you take down the filter now, and this filter is the main filter that give the Nissan transmission problem. Through some mechanic don't know that it in there, so them always leave it and it dirty, so it cause a problem. So this filter is a must replace after replacing. So you install the new one now and make sure you catch everything properly and tighten it up. It carry 4 all-in key bolt, so you catch in them and torque them down to spec. This is the next main filter now, the iron one, so make sure you get the correct one. That one will come out there could have clean, wash it up with some gas and spray up with some carburetor clean and wash it, but I choose to replace it. So you catch in all of the bolt them. It carry 1 short bolt in all of them, so make sure you know where to put the short bolt. That's the short bolt go right there. Make sure you tighten everything to spec. The crankcase now, make sure you take it down and clean it. Wash it with gas and carburetor clean. Make sure it clean and then silicone it and ready to install. When you're putting up the crankcase, make sure the silicone does not wipe off around it, so you catch in the 10mm bolt them and tighten everything to spec. Make sure you tighten all bolt, and when you're done finish tighten the 10 them, make sure you tighten the bung in the transmission, the oil bung, 19mm socket. To throw in the oil now, the clean oil. Make sure you take out the dipstick and put in the funnel and start throwing your CVT oil. Nissan transmission, CVT transmission take 5 bottle of CVT oil. Make sure you install the dipstick to test the oil and dry it up back. The oil level should be at the second slot at the dip on the dipstick. The second slot right there. The second slot there. The oil supposed to there. So when you finish now, you just stick it in back and fit up everything. You finish now, install back all of everything that you pull off. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share for more do it yourself video. Yeah, thanks.